Welcome back to Mr. Speaker English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily, and hello to all our amazing listeners. I'm Paul, and it's so good to be here today.
It's great to see you, Paul. How are you doing?
I'm doing great, thank you. I had a very nice morning. And you, Emily?
I'm wonderful, thanks. I'm really excited for our topic today. It's a fun one.
Oh, yes. It's a topic that can really help our listeners sound more natural in English.
Exactly. But before we start, we want to say a big thank you for listening.
Yes, thank you. And if you like our podcast, please take a moment to subscribe.
And to share it with your friends and family. A little click helps us a lot.
And don't forget to give us a like. It makes us so happy to see your support.
It really does. Okay, are you ready, Paul?
I am ready. Let's talk about today's topic. What is it?
Today, we are talking about phrasal verbs. Woohoo!
Woohoo! Phrasal verbs. That sounds a little difficult.
It can sound difficult, but it's not. We promise. We are here to make it easy and fun.
That's our job. So, Emily, what is a phrasal verb?
That is a great question. A phrasal verb is a verb plus a small word, like in, on, up, or off.
Ah, I see. So, a verb we know, like get, and a small word like up. Get up.
Yes, exactly. Get up is a perfect example of a phrasal verb.
And when you put the two words together, they have a special meaning.
That's right. The meaning can be different from the verb alone. It's like a team of words.
A team. I like that. So let's talk about some easy and useful phrasal verbs.
Let's start with the morning, the very first thing we do.
The very first thing. Open our eyes?
Yes, we open our eyes. We wake up.
Ah, wake up. That's our first phrasal verb.
It is. Wake up. It means to stop sleeping.
Right. My alarm clock helps me wake up every morning.
Me too. What time do you wake up, Paul?
I usually wake up at 7 a.m. And you, Emily?
I wake up a little earlier. I wake up at 6:30 a.m.
Wow, 6:30. That is early. So your eyes are open at 6:30. You are not sleeping.
Yes, I wake up, but I don't get up.
Ah, our second phrasal verb, get up.
Yes, wake up and get up are different.
Okay, so what does get up mean?
Get up means to get out of your bed.
Oh, I see. So you wake up first and then you get up.
Exactly. I wake up at 6:30, but I stay in bed for a few minutes. I get up at 6:45.
I do that too. I wake up at 7, but I only get up at 7:10. My bed is very warm.
So true. So, to all our listeners, first you wake up. Your sleep stops.
And then you get up. You leave your bed to start your day.
Great job, Paul. Those are two very important phrasal verbs for our daily routine.
Wake up and get up. I think I understand that. What's next?
Okay, so you get up. You are out of bed. The room is dark. What do you do?
It's dark. I need light. So I turn on the light.
Yes, you turn on the light. Turn on is another super useful phrasal verb.
Turn on. It means to start something like a machine or a light.
Exactly. You can turn on the light. You can turn on the TV. Exactly. You can turn on the light. You can turn on the TV.
You can turn on the radio or turn on the computer.
Yes. So in the morning, I get up and I turn on the kitchen light to make coffee.
Oh, coffee. I turn on the coffee machine as soon as I get to the kitchen.
Me too. I love the sound it makes when I turn it on.
So, turn on is to start. What is the opposite?
The opposite is turn off.
Of course. Turn off. To stop the machine or the light.
Yes, when I leave a room, I always turn off the light.
That's good. It saves energy. Before I go to work, I turn off the computer.
And at night, before you go to sleep, you turn off the TV.
Yes, I turn off everything. I turn off the lights, the TV, the radio.
Good. So we have turn on to start and turn off to stop.
I like these. They're very logical. Turn on, turn off.
Yes, and we use them every single day. You can't escape them.
You can't. Okay, so we wake up, we get up, we turn on the lights. Now what?
Now we need to get dressed. It's time for clothes.
Ah, clothes. So what is the phrasal verb for wearing clothes?
We say put on. I put on my shirt. I put on my pants.
Put on, I see. So it's the action of dressing.
Yes. In the morning, I put on my work clothes.
And if it's cold outside, you put on a jacket.
Exactly. Today is a little cold, so I did put on a sweater.
A sweater is a good idea. I need to put on my shoes before I leave the house.
Yes, you put on your shoes, you put on your coat, maybe you put on a hat.
Put on, put on, put on. I'm putting on many things.
Yes. And what happens when you come home at the end of the day?
I come home, I open the door, and I want to be comfortable. So I do the opposite.
And the opposite of put on is take off.
Take off. That makes sense. I take off my shoes.
Me too. The first thing I do is take off my shoes. It feels so good.
It really does. I take off my jacket and hang it up.
You can take off your glasses or take off a watch.
Right. I take off my work clothes and I put on my comfortable home clothes.
Oh, nice. So you use both. You take off some clothes and put on other clothes.
Yes. Take off the serious clothes, put on the relaxed clothes.
I love that. So let's review quickly. In the morning,
I wake up, then I get up.
you need light.
I turn on the light. When I leave, I turn off the light.
And for clothes,
I put on my clothes in the morning, and I take off my clothes in the evening.
perfect. See, phrasal verbs are not so scary.
Not with these examples. This is really helpful. Are there more?
Oh, yes, there are many more. Let's do another one. Imagine you can't find your keys.
Oh, that happens to me a lot. My keys are always hiding.
So, what do?
I search for them. I search everywhere, in my bag, on the table.
The phrasal verb for that is look for. You look for your keys.
Ah, look for. It means to search, to try to find something.
Exactly. I am looking for my phone. Have you seen it?
What are you looking for? That's a common question.
It is. People use it all the time. Maybe you go to a store. You can say, "Excuse me, I'm looking for a blue shirt."
That is so useful. So I don't need to say I search for. I can say I look for.
Yes, look for is much more common in everyday conversation.
Okay, so I look for my keys. And then I see them. They are on the chair.
Great! You found them. Now, let's try a different but similar phrasal verb.
Okay, I'm ready.
This one is find out.
Find out. It has the word find. Is it similar to look for?
It is a little similar, but it's for information, not for objects.
Ah, interesting. So I look for my keys, but I find out information.
Yes, exactly. Find out means to discover a fact or a piece of information.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Let's say there is a new movie. You want to know what time it starts. You can say, I need to find out the movie times.
Ah, I see. So I go on the internet to find out when the movie begins.
Perfect example. Or maybe you meet a new person. You want to know their name. You can try to find out their name.
So I ask a friend, what's her name? My friend tells me, and now I have the information. I did find out her name.
That's it. You got it. You look for things like keys or a book.
And you find out information like a time, a name, or an address.
You are a star, Paul. That's a great way to remember it.
Thank you, Emily. It's because you are a great teacher.
Oh, thank you. This is fun. We're learning together with our listeners.
We are. So we have wake up, get up, turn on, turn off, put on, take off, look for, and find out. Wow.
That's a lot already. Should we do one more pair?
Yes, let's do it. I'm feeling confident now.
Great. Let's talk about continuing something, like a story. I start a story. Yesterday, I went to the park, and then I stop.
And I want you to continue. I want to hear the rest.
Yes, so you can say, go on.
Go on? Does that mean continue?
Yes, go on means continue. Go on. Tell me what happened.
Ah, I like that. It's short and easy. Go on.
We also use it for events. For example, the party will go on until midnight.
Meaning the party will continue until midnight.
You got it. Or in a famous song, the show must go on.
Right. The show must continue. I understand. Go on.
Now, for the last one today, the opposite of going away is...
Coming back.
Exactly. And our phrasal verb is come back.
Come back. To return.
Yes, I am going to the store. I will come back in 10 minutes.
That's easy. It means you will return in 10 minutes.
Yes, or when someone returns from a holiday, you can say, welcome back.
Ah, yes. Welcome back is short for welcome. I am happy you did come back.
It is. So if you leave your house, later you must come back.
And our listeners, they listen to our podcast, and we hope they come back for the next episode.
Yes, please come back, everyone. That was a perfect use of the phrasal verb, Paul.
Thank you. This was much easier than I thought. The examples really help.
I'm so glad. The key is to learn them in little phrases, in situations, not just a long list of words.
I agree. Thinking about my morning routine helps me remember wake up, get up, turn on, and put on.
And thinking about coming home helps with turn off and take off.
And when I lose my keys, I will remember to look for them.
And when you need information for a movie, you will find out the time.
And when I want a story to continue, I'll say, go on.
And when you return, you come back.
This is great. I feel like I learned a lot today.
Me too. And I hope all our listeners feel the same way. Remember, learning takes time. Don't worry if you don't remember them all.
That's very true. Just choose one or two. Try to use them this week.
Yes, that is fantastic advice. Maybe this week you can focus on turn on and turn off. Notice every time you do it.
I am turning on the light. I am turning off the TV. It helps to say it.
It really does. Practice is so important.
Well, our time is almost finished for today. This was so much fun, Emily.
It was. I loved talking about phrasal verbs with you.
And we hope you, our listeners, loved it too. We really appreciate you spending your time with us.
We do, and we would love to hear from you.
That's right. So you don't miss our next episode.
And if you liked this episode, please give us a like and share it with someone who is also learning English.
And for our question of the day, we have a challenge for you.
Ooh, a challenge. What is it?
In the comments below, please write a sentence using one of the phrasal verbs we learned today.
What a great idea. You can write, I wake up at 8 a.m. or I put on a green shirt today.
Yes, anything. We would love to read your examples. Tell us about your day using a phrasal verb.
We promise to read all your comments. It's so nice to connect with you all.
It is. Thank you again for listening, everyone.
Yes, thank you. And keep practicing. Learning English is a journey.
And we are so happy to be on this journey with you. Until next time.
Bye, everyone. Take care.